We are now looking at the ideas used on the abacus to order numbers without having to use an abacus. We are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order, that is, from smallest to largest. We will use a table to do this. Each spike in the abacus is replaced by a column in the table. The first number in our list is 482, and we then move each digit into the correct column. 482. We can now do this with the rest of the numbers. 368, 386, 87, 444, and 428. We have now placed all the numbers in the table. We then look at the largest place value column, the hundreds, first. As we are arranging in ascending order, we select the smallest number, which in this case is 0. This number then moves to the top. We can forget about it. The smallest number now is 3. These now need to move up. For these two numbers, let's look at the tens column. We can see that the smaller number is 6. This means that these numbers are already in the correct order. Now let's look at the numbers with 4 in the hundreds column. Now let's look at the tens column for all these numbers. If we look at these three numbers, they should be in the order 2, 4, 8, so the numbers can be rearranged to give this. We now have all 6 numbers arranged in ascending order. Hence the correct order is 87, 368, 386, 428, 444, 482. This time we are arranging in descending order, or from largest to smallest. Once again, let's put these numbers into a table. 1001, 10,010, 11,001, 1,100, and 11,010. Because we are looking at the largest number first, we look at the 10,000s column. And we can see the largest number is 1, so we select these first and put them at the top of the table. For these numbers we need to look at the thousands. The numbers with a 1 in the thousands are the largest, so they need to move up. Both have 0 in the hundred column, so we move on to the tens. The largest number this time is 1. That number moves to the first position. We just need to deal with the bottom two numbers. The thousands column shows they are both 1. So we move on to the hundreds. 1 is the largest. This gives us the final positions. And we list these in the order given in the table. So, in descending order, we have 11,010, 11,001, 10,010, 1,100, and 1,001.